20 woodworking tools that will make every cut cleaner, every joint tighter, and every project faster. If you work with wood, seriously or just on weekends, these tools are for you. Some of these you've never seen before, so don't skip a single one. You've had a piece of wood kick back on a table saw. You know that feeling. This kills it permanently. The GRR-RIPPER push block grips both sides of the cut with a non-slip surface, feeds it through controlled, and virtually eliminates kickback. Cuts as thin as 16th inches safely. Works on table saws, router tables, band saws, jointers. Designed in the USA, fully assembled out of the box. This is the safety tool every table saw needs and most people don't have. You've been pushing a saw through wood your whole life and wondering why the edge is never clean. Japanese saws cut on the pull stroke. Thinner blade, less force, razor-sharp edge every single time. This suizan is made in Japan by craftsmen with over 100 years of tradition behind them. High-grade Japanese steel, 9.5-inch blade, dual TPI for rip and crosscut. The difference the first time you use it is immediately obvious. Cleaner cuts, less effort, no going back. Wood glue all over your hands, dried clogs in the nozzle, half the bottle wasted. The glue bot fixes it all. Airtight design keeps glue fresh. Controlled flow means zero drips. Comes with 2 silicone brushes for precise spreading. Trusted by professional woodworkers worldwide. Works with wood glue and PVA. Reusable, easy to clean, built to last hundreds of projects. Sounds like a small thing until you've used it once and realize every other glue bottle is a mess by comparison. One-handed clamping that actually holds. The Bessie parallel clamp converts from clamping to spreading with a push of a button. No tool swapping, no fumbling. Fiberglass reinforced polyamide body. Soft touch pads that won't mark your work. Ergonomic composite handles. Quick release trigger so you're moving fast through assembly. Pros use Bessie clamps for a reason. Once you try one, the cheap bar clamps in your shop start looking like what they are. Joinery that looks complicated but takes 5 minutes. This pocket hole jig kit is CNC machined aluminum alloy. No flex, no deviation, no stripped holes. Adjustable depth from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. Titanium-plated 2-step drill bit with a stop ring, so every hole is identical. Chip removal outlet keeps the exit clear mid-drill. Includes everything: clamp, drill bits, square drive bits, screws, toolbox. Strong joints, fast builds, no woodworking experience required. Building a bookshelf for custom cabinet and marking shelf pin holes one at a time with a tape measure? There's a smarter way. This jig drills 11 holes in a single pass, perfectly spaced, perfectly aligned every time. 3 hole-to-edge distance options, 37, 50, and 64 millimeters. Comes with both 1/4 inch and 5 millimeter drill bits with matching bushings. Depth collar keeps every hole the same depth. Aluminum alloy build. Beginners finish in minutes what used to take an hour. You're eyeballing an angle with a basic level and hoping for the best? This does not require hope. 4-sided magnets stick it to any metal surface hands-free. Digital readout at 0.2 degree accuracy. Built-in laser lines for horizontal and symmetrical layout work. Reads absolute and relative angles. Auto flips display when mounted upside down. Hold button locks a measurement taken in a tight space. IP54, rechargeable via USB. The bubble level in your toolbox just became obsolete. Installing hinges and the pilot holes are never quite centered? You've shimmed and filled and tried again? This self-centering bit finds the center of every hinge hole automatically. The geometry of the tip does the work for you. Fits 1/4 inch drills, 3 sizes, number 6, 8, and 10. Works for hinges, strike plates, and any hardware that needs a perfectly placed pilot. Small tool fixes a problem that's been quietly ruining your hardware installs for years. You're building with wood that isn't fully dry and you don't know it yet. Weeks later, it moves. Joints open. Finish cracks. This meter tells you the moisture content before any of that happens. Stainless steel pins, backlit LCD with large digits, color-coded readings for low, medium, and high moisture. Measures 5 to 50% for wood, 1.5 to 33% for drywall and concrete. hold button, protective cap, 9-volt battery included. One check before you build saves you the whole project later. Your workpiece slides while you're routing or carving. You stop, reposition, lose your line, start over. This bench holdfast drops into any 3/4-inch dog hole and locks with one hand. No assembly, no tools, no fuss. Silicone pads protect the surface. Bright color so you don't lose it in the shop. Solid metal made to hold under routing, cutting, and grinding pressure. If you have a bench work with dog holes, this is the clamp you've been missing. Detail carving with the wrong tool leaves torn grain, rough edges, and a lot of frustration. This 6-piece palm carving set from Ukraine covers gouges, chisels, and a V-tool. Every profile you need for shaping, hollowing, texturing, and detailing. Lightweight ashwood handles shaped for extended sessions without hand fatigue. Made by hand in Ukraine to a standard most mass-produced sets don't come close to. Hand carving work that used to look rough starts looking like what you actually intended. Setting router bit depth by eye and test cut. Repeat, adjust, test again. This Trend digital depth gauge reads to 0.003-inch accuracy in 0.002-inch increments. Set rebates, grooves, and bit heights precisely the first time. Magnetic feet hold it to metal surfaces, so your hands are free to make the adjustment. Simple clip-on pointer checks holes and mortises up to 2 inches deep. Maximum range of just over 3 inches covers everything on a router table. Accurate setup, first try, every time. You're trying to hold 2 pieces square for glue up or drilling, and they drift out of alignment the second you reach for the drill. These 90-degree corner clamps lock both pieces at a perfect right angle. Adjustable jaws handle different thicknesses. Rotating nuts tighten from both directions. Oblong hole mounts it to a workbench. Aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, non-slip rubber handles. Comes in a 4-pack. Cabinets, frames, furniture, face frames, square joints without needing a third hand. Measuring and marking handle positions on 20 cabinet doors, one at a time. Each one slightly different. First and last drawer handles never quite line up. This aerospace aluminum jig sets it once and repeats perfectly every time. No remeasuring ever. Includes an automatic center punch, so you mark the exact location before drilling. Quick release sliders break down for transport. Metric and imperial markings. Works on drawers, doors, shaker fronts, recessed panels. One jig, one afternoon, 20 perfect handles. Caulk job that looks like a toddler did it. Uneven bead, squeeze out everywhere, finger-smoothed mess. This Saker tool does 3 things at once. Stainless steel blade pulls old caulk clean. Silicone trowel removes bumps and residue. Smooth silicone pad finishes the new bead perfectly. No masking tape needed. Works on kitchen, bath, windows, floors, tanks, any seal job. Takes a task that used to look amateur and makes it look professional every time. You're fitting flooring, trim, or tile around a pipe or door frame, and the cut never matches the shape. Press this contour gauge against any profile, lock it instantly, trace it onto your material, cut exactly on the line. 45-degree teeth go down to 0.05-inch thickness for precise replication of complex shapes. High-density ABS won't warp or bend under pressure. Available in 6 and 10-inch sizes. Tile, laminate, trim, automotive, woodworking. One tool, 0 wasted cuts. One corded rotary tool, 174 accessories, 180 watts, 6 variable speeds from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM. Adjust on the fly for grinding, drilling, polishing, engraving, cutting, carving, or sharpening. 1 meter flex shaft so you reach angles that would kill your wrist otherwise. Soft rubber ergonomic body for long sessions. Replaceable motor brushes so it lasts for years. Everything in a toolbox that travels with you. This handles every detailed job in your shop that your other tools can't. Dowel joints that don't line up are worse than no joint at all. This going-make jig drills 3 perfectly aligned dowel holes simultaneously. Centerline pointer takes the guesswork out of positioning. 9 hardened steel bushings included for 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch dowels. Edge stops in 1/8-inch increments. Clear laser scales in 1/16. Extension rod for repeat positions at any spacing. Quick clamp system. butt joints, edge joints, T-joints, miter joints, all perfect, all fast. Cutting consistent thin strips on a table saw freehand is dangerous and inaccurate. This thin rip jig slides into your T-track miter slot, locks in front of the blade, and gives you a one-way roller bearing that feeds the workpiece forward without kickback. Cuts as thin as 1/32 of an inch consistently. Laser engraved scales in both metric and imperial. Zero clearance design for dialing in the exact strip width. Compatible with table saws, band saws, and router tables. Repeat cuts, same size every single time. These are the 20 woodworking tools. Every link is in the description. Just scroll down and grab what you need. We find the tools that actually make a difference. See you in the next video coming on the screen.